So the reason I decided to pick up the camera today is because one of my best friends from California, you remember California, the tattoo, but he's coming down and he's gonna be here for a few days. I'm gonna show him around Seattle. He's gonna arrive later on tonight. You, man. And then we're gonna get something to eat. You're an asshole. And we're just gonna pick up the video tomorrow morning.
The next morning.
Alright, good morning. Got my buddy Travell here. He's still sleepy as hell.
Got my coffee from Cal.
Yeah, we about to get haircuts right now.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so I got this gimbal and it keeps turning away.
Oh, you might have to hold it like that.
Maybe. Oh, maybe do we hold it like this?
Selfie stick.
Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, it's about that time. Like, here's the thing. Like, we've been friends for a long time, but like I haven't really got you anything ever for your birthday, and you haven't got me anything for my birthday. But today I got a huge surprise for you, and all I can say is like I hope you're not afraid of heights.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah. You ready? Hey. Let's go. Back. Yo, once again I'm back around. Real shit back in style. Haters reconcile. I'm so black and proud. First class tickets now. Feet all in the aisle. Everybody looking down. Everybody get red when you brown, huh? Looking me up. I'm putting it down. You picking it up. Checking the models. They want us to go to college just so we can be stuck. Go to school to make a living, or teach yourself to make a fortune. Common sense. Welcome to the apocalypse. Bitch, I'm one of the horsemen. I don't need your endorsement. I don't need reinforcement. Giving you your last warning, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah. I'm at my prime. Whoa.
In the helicopter, now I know how it feels.
Hey, but I told you I'm gonna show you around Seattle, right?
And that you fucking did.
Let's see. There we go. Alright, so we're at the mall.
What's up?
Doing a little bit of shopping, and then we're gonna go to the Kevin Hart show.
We here in Seattle go ape shit. It's very easy, okay? Everybody's got their phones out. Let's see the section. It's got prepaid cell phones right there. I'm recording. Just turn around. That's the only thing you can do. There you go. All right. Okay. Ken, turn the lights off for me, Ken, so we look dope. Nice. Nice. That section right there. Get your phones on. Okay, there you go.
I'm not missing. Another sold out crowd, but I'm in Seattle.
Irresponsible tour. Another amazing city full of amazing laughter. I love you. I'll say it again. I love you. I can't wait to come back. I'll see you next year. Keep putting that shit. Talking the shit. Thank you.
That's the boy right there, dog.
The next day.
Good morning, everybody. I'm here with my best friend Travell.
What's up, bro? Good morning, good
Go
morning.
go like this.
Oh,
Listen,
okay.
listen,
What?
listen. Okay. Just the reason I want to do it, I want to go like this, and that's it.
Okay.
Just like this one, okay? Because I'm gonna edit something.
Oh,
in
okay.
post. I'm gonna edit the sound effect that goes. Okay. Good morning, everybody. I'm here with my best friend Tradizzle. Today's the second day he's been here. So today we're gonna go see the Space Needle, but we're gonna go up to the observation deck, and then we're gonna go to Pike Place Market. We're gonna go to Alki Beach. Then we're gonna go to a baseball game. We're gonna try to do all of that stuff. It's already 12 o'clock, so we got to get going. I got the drone with me, so I'm gonna try to get some drone footage too today. All right, let's get the day started. Let's go.
just don't trust this. It just feels weird.
We made it to the top of the Space Needle.
I don't like this that much. This shit's so weird. It's angled, so you can touch it, and it's kind of cool.
I'm Mr. Snake fan.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, it's just so weird. Just doing this feels super. Look, come get the view. Just come get the view, bro. Like, this is super sketch. Super sketch. I know those are glass.
You
That's just
bitch.
so...
You a little bitch.
That was... Alright, right? What the fuck? Where's it at, man?
I don't know, man.
There it is! Hey! I got it! I'm hella off and shit. You ain't making no noise. With the big boys. My choice.
Oh, I wasn't recording.
It's recording. It says recording.
I know.
Hey, are you guys there?
Don't be touching the lens.
But they can't hear
No,
you.
did you just touch
I
it?
touched the
Did you just touch my... Who the fuck? No.
All that yip yapping and jump jacking, nigga. If you scared, go to church. You knew the job was dangerous when you took it.
Oh, bitch! We can get it crackin' if we get the clickin' clackin'. Nigga, Mr. Jackson, nigga with no reaction. If you scared, go to church. We gon' hit you where it hurt. That don't work, we gon' put you in the dirt.
Cause a whole lot of rappers talk a whole lot of noise. Lyrics full of steroids, niggas paranoid. And when
What are you doing?
they just crazy.
Oh my
They all
god.
wanna get up
What
here.
is this? I wish I could turn. Can I turn this? Man!
Oh no, the lights out. I'm about to punch your lights out.
Set the fuck back, guard your grill. Tell wrong nigga, stay still.
I've been
Thinking and busting you, and I've been thinking of fucking you. But that girl's hot. They're gonna be molded.
Causing confusion.
Hey, another tourist spot for you, huh?
I like
We're at Pike Place Market now. There's the first Starbucks, but I'll show you my first picture when I was skinnier. Flashback.
disease all over this place.
Trying to take a picture.
I don't want to take a picture with them.
Alright, let's go.
Smell that?
It smells like fish.
No, it doesn't smell like cowboy.
Alright, so we made it to Alki Beach.
We here.
I showed him the skyline.
Look at that shit.
Yeah, we're gonna throw the drone up in the air and then get something to eat and then go to the baseball game. little bit late, but
Hella late. It's the fucking 5th inning.
who's winning, man?
Your fault.
Who's winning?
Your fault.
It's my
and
fault.
the Marylands are not winning.
Yeah.
It's the Sox. The Red Sox are winning. That's why he got the red on. I got this. You guys gotta. I don't know. We gotta save the battery. We gotta save the battery.
Yeah, the battery's almost dead, and I forgot to bring a second one. I've been
You
slacking.
lagging. You got L's all today. You made us late.
Bro.
You got no battery. That's an L.
It's been a year since I made a video. All right, get out of here. All right. Yo.
Go Bears.
So it's you would think it's the morning, but it is the morning, but like
That's how
it's-
tired you are.
It's the night, bro. We still gotta go to bed. So here's the deal: the Mariners won, but after the game, like the battery ran out, so I didn't really record after the Mariners game.
Your show. Yeah.
But they won, and then we went and did some things off the vlog.
But cocaine is king.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm just tired. Here's the thing, man. When I get tired,
You've been doing this all the hour drive here. I can't tell you how excited I am to go to bed.
It's accidental, man. Like, it's just,
They won't understand
I
that.
know it's an inside joke. But look, here's what I'm trying to say. Like, you right now, I swear to God, I bet you when my family's watching this, they're gonna think I'm high as hell. But I'm
No,
not.
you're just
I'm not.
super
I didn't.
tired.
Like my buddy, he smokes, but I don't smoke. But I'm just, when I get tired, like I'm tired right now, and when I get tired, I get stupid. But anyways, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I mean, if we get to bed right now, it's 7 a.m.
We can if you quit talking.
Oh, hold on. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Just finish. If we get to bed right now, it's almost 7 a.m. and we get 5 hours. We get 5 hours of sleep. We can wake back up at 12 and start the next day's vlog of what we're doing tomorrow or today, I guess. But anyways, we gotta get to bed so we can do the stuff we're supposed to do tomorrow.
3 hours later.
Good morning, everybody. So yeah, I slept about 3 hours. How many hours?
I luckily got like 4.
Yeah, we ended the vlog in the morning, and it's been a few hours, and we're starting the next day's vlog. And today is my boy's last day. I mean, not last day, like last full day. Tomorrow he's leaving, and today we got a trip planned. We're gonna go hiking. We gotta go run a few errands, go get something. That's what's planned, and yeah, let's go get it.
All the people around our way chat about the same things every day. And you know I don't want none of the beat father. I don't care what they say. They chat about diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. And they be telling me again. They chat about diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black. Diamonds, gold, ice, white, and black.
We tried to throw the drone in the air, but I don't know why it kept disconnecting. I couldn't get that much footage. And why does gimbal keep wanting to go that way? Hold on. Okay.
Edit.
But anyways, so what we were doing, just to get some more footage, I was flying it manually.
Yep.
And I think I got some skills. I mean, I did crash, but I flew it for a while, like not facing it and just looking at the screen. I got some skills on the drone. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes, we're going around this curve. Let's turn on.
Yeah. We're going hella slow on this. Anyways,
And we're going downhill. We ain't trying to slip, y'all.
anyways, we're going back down. We're not gonna be able to do this thing because it's getting dark.
Yeah.
We didn't really plan anything nice.
God damn, gimbal.
I'm still learning how to use this gimbal because it keeps going on its own. All right, so we made it back and freshened up. Now we're out here to get something to eat. I think a well-deserved meal because I'm tired, man. That was a good workout today. But that's it for the video today. You have fun.
Pray for me. Pray for me.
Tomorrow is my boy's last day.
About
and,
to get yelled at and so many bad looks in here.
Oh, it's because he has a Raider jersey.
It's my last day in
Raider
Seattle.
shirt.
Raiders, we going out with a bang.
All right, so we're about to go get something to eat, and that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Love you guys. Whoa. God, man. You don't know how to drive. How the hell you gonna fucking turn right here?
I just looked down on the
Jesus.
GPS and it told me to go right, and I went
Stay
right.
in the right lane. Don't be in the straight lane.
Bro, okay, where did we
Man,
die? Did we die?
Seattle, y'all